Fact number 19. Tama. Okay, yeah. Fact number 19 is that I am a child of God. So, what do I mean by that? One of the reason why I choose then to keep my name, my real name, na itago siya, maliban sa sinabi ko nung una, is that ayaw kasi kayo matakot or ma-intimidate sa name ko kasi it's very banal siya. Very, very banal. So, yung name ko, blank Escaleja. Ayan. So, yan. Yung first two names ko. Yung blank, yan. Very religious niya kasi sa Bible siya kinuha. And, kaya then, my purpose really of being here sa YouTube universe is to really share the word of God. And yeah, it's just not to express myself or to this YouTube thing. It's just not for me. It's yun din. Inulit ko na, sorry guys. It's not just for me. It's yun nga, to honor. With honor. Ang corny. Anyways. Ayan, din kasi. Hindi ako yung type ng person na ma-vlog. I mean, introvert nga ako. I can't do outside videos na nagba-vlog. And hindi rin ako yung ma-prank. I don't like pranks. I mean, gets ko naman, it's supposed to be funny and all, pero I'm not like that kasi. So, you're gonna be expecting like this types of video, mga sit-down videos, or mga haul, or mga commentary. More on ganon ang magiging laman ng aking content. And, okay. Fact number 20 is that I like accessorizing. So, ayun, para naman medyo light kasi yung mga na-share ko is very deep na sila. So, ito. Para light lang. Okay, yan. I like accessorizing. As you guys can see, like, may earrings from my supplier. This one, necklace, it's a gift from me. I forgot kung birthday gift or Christmas gift. Basta gift siya sa akin ng aking friend, ng aking sister. Kasi ako, when I consider you as a friend or a close friend, I consider you as a sister na rin. So, ayun. Hindi na muna ako mag-name drop kasi ayokong dumugin nyo siya. Pero, let's just say, may vibe siya ni Maymay Entrata. So, yeah. And then, yeah, this one. And for my last fact, may favorite song ng BTS. Ayan, specific, kasi madami din akong favorite song. Pero, yeah, favorite song ko ng BTS is 2-3.